ZTE introducing the latest Nubia series by adding a Neo 3 variant. What's up friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Smartphone will run on Android 15 operating system. Smartphone available at price of $216. Smartphone runs on one of the most powerful chipset in its category, which is the Unisoc T8306nm, with the additional support of 2.2 GHz octa-core CPU. Nubia Neo 3 is packed with AMOLED touchscreen display, 1000 nits peak brightness, offering the 120Hz refresh rate and the HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2392 pixels. There is 8GB of RAM with 256GB of internal memory. This Nubia Neo 3 is said to be delivered with dual sensors. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel wide and 2 megapixel depth. There will be under display optical fingerprint reader. There will be an extra large 6000 mAh battery. That's all for now and thanks for watching.